So for the last part of this session, we are going to be using some symbols. Now the first symbol is this one. And this symbol means less than. And then we've got another symbol that looks quite similar, but it points the other way, which means more than. And we have one more symbol that we need to know, and it's this one, which I'm sure you're all very familiar with, and it means equals or equal to. So we're going to be using all of these three symbols in this last part. Now what you have to be able to do is to be able to relate these symbols to the correct parts in each section of the sum. So you might see something that looks like this. The question says 6 tens. Then we have a box which you're going to add the symbol into, and then it says 100. Now they're asking you to add one of these symbols into the box. So we're going to read this as a sentence. 6 tens something 100. So we have to ask ourselves, is 6 tens less than 100? Is 6 tens more than 100? Or is 6 tens equal to or the same as 100? Now firstly, we need to have a look and think, what do these numbers look like in digits? So we'll change the colour so we can see this nice and clearly. 6 tens would equal 60, and 100 would look something like this. In fact, it would look exactly like that. So we've got 60 and 100. So now we can easily see which number is more or less or equal to the other. We can use one of these symbols to put it into this square to make the number sentence correct. So of course we know that 6 tens is less than 100. So we're going to add this symbol into correct the number sentence. 6 tens is less than 100. Less than 100. Let's do another one. 100 and 2. We've got our box. You might see it underneath, you might see between, still the same number sentence. And then we're going to put 200 and 7. Okay. Now again, it's a number sentence. So we need to use one of these symbols to add it into this box to make sure the number sentence makes sense. But first, let's write these numbers as numerals or digits. 102. 102. There are no tens, so we use our place value holder, which is a 0 and 2 ones. 102. And the next number is 207. 200, again a place value holder, and 7. Now we can very easily see that 207 is more than 102. So which symbol is going to go into the box? Let's read it as a sentence. 102, is it less than, more than, or equal to 207? 102 is less than 207. Let's do another one. 89. There's our box again. 22. Now these are 2-digit numbers. Let's work it out. 89, we know 89. It's an 8 and a 9. 8 tens, 9 ones. 22. 2 tens, 2 ones. Is 89 less than, more than, or equal to 22? We know that 89 is the bigger number, so 89 is more than 22. More than. You see our symbols on the side. More than 22. Let's do another one. Let's put, this is going to be a long one. 300 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. Again, our box in the middle. And the number that the next one we're going to be looking at is 200 plus 200 plus 3 ones. Let's just correct that to me. Okay. So, again, let's find out what these look like in numerals or digits. 300 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. 300 plus 8 tens and 2 ones. 382. Again, hundreds, tens, and ones. 200 plus 3 ones. Place value holder because there's no tens. And 3 ones. Which number is bigger? Which number is smaller? We know this is the larger number. So 382 is more than 203.